to make automatic on and off light. BC547 NPN transistor. From left-hand side, first terminal is collector, second terminal is base, third terminal is emitter.
3mm white color LED, long terminal is positive, small terminal is negative. Small size LDR, basically LDR, don't have any polarities. 150 kilo ohms resistor. Basically resistor, don't have any polarities.
Let's start the connections.
Connect 150 kilo ohms resistor to the transistor base.
Connect LED bulb positive to the resistor and LED bulb negative to the transistor's collector. Connect one terminal of LDR to the base and another terminal to the emitter. Using 3.7 volts battery for testing the circuit. Let's test the circuit. Red clip indicates positive and black clip indicates negative of the 3.7 volts battery.
Light is glowing automatically and darkened automatically stop glowing when LDR is exposed to light. Increase the value of the resistor for increasing the sensitivity of the LDR.